manau, tėveliai renkasi mokyklą šią todėl, kad jų vaikai gerai jaustųsi. Didesnė dalis vaikų kalba 2 kalbom nuo prigimties ir jam tai yra svarbu save realizuoti.
At our school, language is taught in a fully immersive classroom, so this gives our students the ability to develop their academic skills and natural communication abilities. In my classroom, I focus on interactive and engaging lessons that encourages both critical thinking, curiosity, and independence. The Cambridge curriculum supports deep understanding, so they're not just learning the subjects, they learn how to think, how to express themselves, and explore their ideas confidently.
Mūsų mokykloje vienodai svarbi tiek lietuvių, tiek anglų kalbos ir mano pozicija turbūt yra stipresnė tuo, kad šiai akimirkai aš stengiuosi atliepti lietuviškumą, daug dėmesio skiriant ne tik vienai gražiausių pasaulio kalbų, ar ne, turbūt puoselėti, bet ir kultūrai bei tapatybei ugdyti.
What really excites me is seeing my students develop from the beginning of the year, where they may have not had any exposure to the English language, and see how far they come, especially by the end. They are readers, they are writers, and they're able to express themselves. And what I find is really successful in their language development is when they have the opportunity to actively engage with the words. So that is using resources to break up the letters, using blocks, using tiles, using anything where they can actually build and form the words and not just repeat the spelling words with pen and paper. They have to be touching the letters. They have to be moving and jumping and using their whole bodies when learning language. And I get a lot of joy out of seeing their development throughout the year. So that passion for me is what keeps me going.
Įkvepia jų idėjos, jų energija, jų noras kažką sužinoti. Ir tai nebūtinai tai, ką tu suplanavęs esi būtent tai pamokai. Jie man tiesia kelią, kuria kryptį mes turėtumėm keliauti. Tai turbūt vaikai, turbūt tas jų judrumas ir energija užsiteikimas.